What's going on, guys? We're back again, and we are talking about another mod for the Grom today. I got a couple things in the mail from my last video, so we're going to open these up real quick, and then I'll show you what we're going to do. Alright, let's go ahead and open these boxes up. You can see what's inside. I have not opened these up yet, so... Yes, so... we got some new mirrors for the Grom. And then I actually got some, there should be some bolts to go in the holes where we take the old mirrors out. So hopefully these look okay. That's it. Okay, in order to take these mirrors off, it's actually really easily. These just actually unscrew counterclockwise. And that's it. I'm going to take that one off. I think this goes counterclockwise as well. Could be wrong though. It may go the other way. Yep, it's counterclockwise. Alright. And those are both off. Really easy. Alright, so they come with these little end pieces that go in your handlebars. And so what we gotta do, we gotta take out this bolt here, and this piece comes off. This piece will go in there and it'll tighten up, but it looks like this piece goes in here, and then this piece is going to go over the mirror like that. So we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, let me show you an easy way to get these off instead of stripping these screws out of the bar ends here. All you do is put a clamp on there. Then you turn both the clamp and the screw. And there you go. Comes out. Instead of stripping the screws like I did, this is a whole lot easier. There we go. Okay, I found a better way to do this. Instead of taking this insert piece off, if you want to leave your stock throttle and handguards in place, I will show you a better way to do this. Instead of taking that out, I just put a spacer on there. I just put a couple really small washers in there, and you won't be able to see the washers once the bolts tighten up, but it won't interfere with the throttle either. So now I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. Let's just tighten this up. Okay. Look at that. Perfect. It's not interfering at all with the throttle, so we're going to do the same thing to this side. I'm going to take this back off. Okay. So what we're going to do, I'm literally just going to put a small washer on there just to bring it out a little bit from the handguard, and we're going to run this back in there. So now we're going to adjust these things so that they are in the right spot. just this one. This way. So I'm sitting on here. Tighten that one. We're gonna tighten this one. Okay. You should be able to move those a little bit, but yeah, that's better than having them up here for sure. Alright guys, we got them tightened, everything tightened up. Both mirrors on the end of the handlebars. I really like this look a lot better, and it's actually, hopefully it'll be functional than these other terrible mirrors that stick up like little bug eyes. But I put little screws down in here just to cover up those holes, and yeah, I think it looks a whole lot better. Like I said, everything, throttle works. I put those little washers in there, so tearing out the whole inside of the handlebars, so all that should be good to go. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Like this video, subscribe, and take care, and have a great day.